you waking up? So cute. Hi, monster.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So it's been a little while since I put out a video. I am so sorry, but here is a quick one that I was able to get recorded. So I'm a new mom and it has been a little bit difficult to get some footage recorded. So here I just had a bit of laundry to do. I wanted to clean the main floor just a little bit, and you'll also see some kind of vlog clips of Kohen today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Of course, I'm using my Scentsy laundry detergent, and I have it in the scent Jammy Time, and I wash everything in this, even the baby's clothes. It is perfect. I have sensitive skin and it doesn't bother me at all, and so far he's been great with it. So that's what I am using. Next, moving on to the kitchen, I have been wanting to clean off this table. It has been a major junk drop zone since we had the baby, so it has been a challenge for me to keep it clean because I just drop everything here, and I usually only have one hand, so it's just an easy spot to put everything. So definitely needed to get this cleared off. As usual, Teo is in the way. He really likes to be out and about, especially when I'm folding laundry. He is a very needy cat, and if anyone has a Siamese cat, they'll understand. Did you see him just jump there behind the coffee maker? Oh, my animals are so much work sometimes. Now I'm going to fold up some laundry, so I'm just tidying up the living room, and you will see when I'm folding this laundry that it is definitely a load that Robbie threw in. Some of the clothes are still inside out, so I have to flip them the right way, and Kohen is asleep there in his swing in the corner, so whenever he has his naps downstairs, he's usually napping in there, and I usually get my stuff done. And of course you can see the cat is jumping around and the dog is chasing him. So annoying, but thankfully they were quiet, so I didn't have to worry too much. So I'm just folding up the laundry while watching Vampire Diaries. I am rewatching it on Amazon Prime. I loved it when it was on TV, and I'm just loving rewatching it. Let me know if there's any shows that you like to rewatch. I know a lot of people don't like to rewatch things, but I am someone that rewatches the same series over and over again.
You've got your bad mood on a world tour, but I don't mind, I really don't mind. The cloud doesn't move, the rain will pour, but I don't like the feeling.
And you will see somehow there seems to be so many pairs of socks with no matches. None of those have matches. It's ridiculous. I guess socks really do go missing.
Last night, was I dreaming last?
Oh my goodness. We have knocked off our blanket. Oh. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Oh, we're stretching because we're waking up. Can you turn off your swing? Hi, buddy. Oh, we're waking up. Yes. Hi, Kohen. Are you gonna wake up? Meet your little dozies. So this is a little bit later in the day, and as you can see, everything got all messed up again. So I have to refold the blankets. I'm re-tidying up. I had my laptop out because I had some stuff to do on there. So even though it looked tidy before, it doesn't take me very long to get it all messy again. So I'm just going to tidy up, do some dusting, and vacuum down here. You may also notice we have a new chair down here. So we had gotten a new chair before that we had the baby, and then after we had the baby, my mom thought we should probably have a rocking chair down here. So she gifted this to us. She found it at HomeSense, I think. Hey, mister. So we are up from our nap. Hi, buddy. He loves to look at everything on this wall in the nursery. I don't know what exactly he's looking at, but he likes it. Yes, you do. Yeah. So we gotta change our diaper. And I've been looking for my tripod, my little tripod, and I can't find it anywheres. So we're gonna have to make do without it. Hey, bud. What are you doing? Huh? We gotta do our activities for the day. I got an app that gives us activities to do. One thing is moving our arms. Yeah? What do you think, bud? Huh? You really like the wall, huh? Yeah. Alright, now I'm just going to do a quick little workout. So I am trying to slowly get into working out and doing just some yoga and Pilates type things. So this was just a little brief thing that you could do with your baby, but he's a little too young still to do a lot of the exercises. So I just did a few of the exercises with him in the room with me. But I usually do yoga at bedtime when Robbie is home to look after him, so I could just sneak away for a few minutes to do that. Someone that's better than this. Now this is in the evening and Robbie is home, so he has the baby and I'm just trying to tidy up the bedroom, put away the laundry that I did for him earlier in the day. And that's what I like to do in the evening. This room gets so messy so fast, and I will try to do a nursery tour soon. I am still waiting for a couple of things to finish it off, and right now, since he's not sleeping in here, the crib is just a mess. I just throw everything in there, so it's not quite ready for a tour, but it will be coming eventually, so keep an eye out for that. So I hang a lot of his clothes up. I find it so much easier to be picking out an outfit when I have him in my arms. I can just grab it right off of the hanger. And some of the outfits that have pants with them and have like a little jacket, so like this here, I just tuck the pants into the hood so that it's the whole outfit right there. I find it so much easier just to grab right out of the closet. And then after I put this away, I pick out an outfit for him for jammies, and I will show it to you here in the clip in a minute. But he didn't end up sleeping in it because it was too small. He's growing so fast, and this was the last time he was able to sleep in a newborn size sleeper. So it was such a cute sleeper, and he only got to wear it a couple of times. So he didn't actually wear that one this night, but it was just so cute. So here I'm just putting away all of his socks, hats, and mittens. and I just kind of organized it quickly in there because it was getting a little messy. But I like to keep these things right handy in the change table. And here's the outfit that he didn't get to wear, but look how cute it is. And the little onesie for underneath has a bunch of puppies on it. That actually still fits him though. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. It's not a whole lot, but it's about all I got done today. And now Robbie's home, so I'm just gonna go downstairs and hang out with him and Kohen for the rest of the night. And I'm starting to get a headache for some reason, so I'm not gonna try to attempt to finish anything else for the evening. Normally when he gets home is when I kind of come upstairs and do the cleaning around, like cleaning up the nursery and our bedroom and stuff like that. But that's all I've got for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to do my best to get a video out every week. It will all depend on how cooperative Kohen is during the day. Some days he's great, and other days he's kind of fussy all day and just wants to be held the whole time. So those days I won't be able to get a whole lot done. But anyways, make sure that you like and subscribe to this, or like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one, and be sure to go check out my past videos, and I will be doing an updated hospital bag video, the things that I actually used, so that if you're expecting and you're not sure what to bring and you watched my previous video, I will update you on whatever I used in there. So be sure to keep an eye out for that video. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.